To use the pen and marker tool, locate it in the main toolbar at the bottom. Touch it once to activate, and touch it twice to pull up the menu. The first icon here on the left is the pen tool. Just like with backgrounds, you can change the color by selecting any of the color circles or touching the plus button to get more advanced colors. This slider here changes the pen thickness, and this slider changes its transparency. Next to that is the highlighter. Just like with the pen, the highlighter can be changed with colors, as well as the line thickness. Once you have your tool selected, use it on the canvas by touching and drawing. Again, touch the pen menu twice to pull it up.